Hello YouTube. I am sad today because I have absolutely no Wi-Fi, so I can't text my boyfriend. And I think my parents are fighting. So if any of you know how to stop that, because my mom's doctor, they think that she might have swine flu. So yeah, I'm kind of scared that I'm gonna get it. So like, I have no idea what this has to do with biting. Yeah. Well, okay then. I'm gonna go. Bye.